currently organizing my week and month in life. I have 2 whiteboards that I never seem to use. I have another one up here. Let me show y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that. Here's one that I'm doing. Then I also have one up there. February. That's crazy. That's crazy. So yeah, then I also have this book here. This is my planner. And this has to do. This is for the month. Instead of me having like a month one, this is my month calendar here. Then I can do it by day and get more specific if I need more space. Notes. You get the gist. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now currently. I should have probably been done this, but hey, it's only the 7th. It's only the 7th. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Getting my schedule and life together. And y'all gonna go to the gym with me in about 10 minutes or so. We're gonna do a late night gym sesh. So yeah, happy new year. If y'all made it to 2025, whew, because it's been a lot going on. There's been a lot going on. So if you made it to 2025, congratulations, because you know, you never know what's gonna happen, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna sit here and finish organizing this, pack my gym bag, and we're gonna head on out the door.
Descending. Outside, Tombo. Past to Zadirico. Nails it. Tombo often trails his teammates in the assist column, but he is a solid passer. He gets it done there. And so with it, it's North Beverly. And you watch Germanenko on the court for North Beverly. He's as composed as they get at this level. He's the smallest starter for the Bearcats, but he's sort of...
What up, what up, what up? What's up, my wonderful people? We are back in the gym with a gym vlog. You feel me? Took me a minute to get back here. Took me a minute to film back here. But yeah, here we are back again. We're going to be switching this video up a little bit and doing a little ASMR, if I said that correct. But yeah, so just stay tuned. Follow me for this. Follow me for this. Let's go. Okay, so for this workout we're doing right here are going to be the cable kickbacks. I'm adjusting the weight first because, you know, I did forget to do that. I just jumped right in and thought I was Joe, G.I. Jackson Joe or something. But yeah, we're here doing our cable kickbacks, and it's pretty simple and self-explanatory. You just kick back. There is a few different variations you can do with this workout, and for now this is just how I'm doing it. There's ways you could take less pressure off the knee and kind of do it stiff leg. You can work the thighs while you work the glutes at the same time, and I believe that's the one I'm doing right now, just simply because I haven't been in the gym in a while. So yeah, we're working our whole legs with this one. And I believe I'm doing 3 sets. I only filmed me doing like 2 sets here. 2.5, no, 1.5. 1.5 set. So I'm showing you guys 1.5 set. And just, if you can see the concentration, you have to really concentrate on the muscle that you're working. So concentrate on the legs as you're doing it. Try not to go so fast. You know, sometimes I be in a little rush and sometimes I speed up, but I try to slow down. So yeah, that's what we're doing right here. And for this workout, I really don't remember the exact name, but I'm gonna call it glute extensions. I think it's leg extensions, something like that. We were just extending the legs outward or whatever. This one I kind of did a little different. So what I did was either 5 or 6 sets, but I did sets, and then I started at the highest number with the least amount of weight, and then as I went up with the weight, I took some reps off. So I believe I started at 15 reps for the first set, then went down to 12 reps for the second set, then went down to 10 reps for the third, and then I did for the fourth set 8, and the fifth set 6, I believe. And if I did do another set, I did 4, but I'm pretty sure I stopped at 6. But yeah, that's how I do this one. Is I pretty much go to the edge of the seat and I put the heel of my foot down in between that hole of the footrest. Kind of gives you more of a challenge when you're doing that. So that's something that I learned. This is very challenging, extremely challenging. This one is not for the weak, okay? I've seen so many different ways you can do this workout. It's just up to you and your preference. If you want to do 20 reps a set, 30 reps a set, in 3 sets, 30, it's up to you. It's just however you're feeling that day and whatever you're trying to target specifically, so. Okay, and for our last workout, we are doing the leg press. This is a very leg-based video, it looks like. Yeah, and I pretty much just did a wide stance and got, moved the machine lower so that I was able to target the glutes a little bit more. But specifically right now, I'm targeting my thighs. I'm really not targeting my glutes much. I do have the wide stance with my feet, but it's not as wide as I would like. And my feet, my feet doesn't go as high as I would like on this bar, because if I just put my heels up there, then you're kind of going to have no stability. So this was just the best way that I did it. And they do have other leg presses machines, but this one was closest to the door. So yeah, we was working our way out of here. But yeah, I'm just doing some leg press, strengthening those thighs. I did 3 sets of 10 here, and then I moved my feet kind of in the middle and kind of just did like a pump squat, kind of. I don't even know how to how to describe it, but I moved my legs in the middle, centered together, side by side, and squatted and did a set of that as well, just to finish it off, just to push myself, give myself a little extra push. And I haven't been in the gym in a few weeks, so coming back, I had to kind of start light and then ease my way back in there. So that's pretty much what we're doing. But yeah, leave a like in the comments, what you thought about this video. Let me know any workouts that you like to see. Let me know if you want to know how I do my workout split, what I eat in a day, just leave it in the comments. I do appreciate you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I love y'all. Y'all some real ones, and I appreciate y'all. Bye.